Hi everyone, my name is Mike Roscoe and it's December 27th, 2019. I want to thank my wife for the new Pittsburgh Steeler trolley. It is very rare and hard to come by. She had also bought me the Pittsburgh Steeler trolley last year because we could not find the Pittsburgh Steeler trolley. So as I show you along, I wired that up real quick, real fast. But I just opened this up tonight and I bought that for a few dollars. It's from 1987, which kind of funny, is the same year my son was born. But this is the first time they're being used, from 1987. Then we got the new school ones. We all know what that's about. So let me run these now. So what you guys think of them trolleys? Pretty cool, huh? Let me show you something else that's pretty cool. Because you know what you're doing? You're looking at the trains. Sometimes it's about the things that are put on your platform. And one of those things would happen to be that cannon right in front of you. And them soldiers. And what's so cool about these cannons and the soldiers is the fact that National Steel had gone out of business. And this is a pewter soldier, one of only 100 made for National Steel. And look at the bottom. Answer for steel. I don't get that. But anyways, very, very rare. The cannon is something that was given to me and my brother, and it's made in France, as you can see. And if you looked on the arm rails, there's different numbers. They're not all actually the same, believe it or not. So I went searching for this years ago and couldn't find it. Now here's the really cool thing about it. It was something my father gave to me and my brother when we were only like 7, 8 years old. If you turn this little lever and point it upward, it'll shoot, because it's spring loaded, it'll shoot a projectile out of it. And there's them cool trolleys my wife got me. Thank you, babe. But when you release this lever and it stops here, it actually pops a cap. And that cap is like the old cap guns. It used one of the old caps. But this is something that's very sentimental on my train platform, along with them soldiers that are hard to come by, and the really cool trolleys that my wife bought me. Alright, thank you very much.